my name is Yasmin Meman. So here we are measuring the height. .6.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Isha Firdaus from second year science.
Myself Mehjabeen from second year science.
The topic today given to us is the Fibonacci series. Maths wasn't made up to harass English majors, but it was made by something little called nature that is present everywhere. In fact, there is a series of number that are always held together in nature. That is the Fibonacci series. The Fibonacci series starts from 0 and 1, and it proceeds based on the rule that every number is equal to the sum of its two preceding number. Like if I add 0 plus 1, I will be getting 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 5, 8, and so on. Now this series holds a very interesting secret in nature. Let me tell you how. If I take any number of this series and divide it by its predecessor, like 3 by 2, I will be getting 1.5, 5 by 3, 1.66, 8 by 5, 1.6, 13 by 8, 1.625, 21 by 13, 1.615, 34 by 21, 1.619, and lastly 55 by 34 is 1.618. Now this constant value is known as golden ratio. This golden ratio was described by the Greeks long years ago, and they named it as pi, but nowadays in general it is called as golden ratio.
Myself Sania Sheikh.
Good afternoon. Myself Sayyeda Adiba Fatima.
I am studying in PUC first year science E1, and my topic is trigonometric function about tan. If the right angle triangle, the length of opposite side and the adjacent side, suppose a triangle ABC alpha adjacent and the opposite hypotenuse sides.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Muhammadi Afifa.
Myself Nasima.
We are from second year. Today we are going to explain the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras was a mathematician. He invented this theorem, so his name is kept to this theorem. The right angle triangle is indicated by the little box in the corner. The other angle that we usually know is indicated by theta. The side opposite, which is the longest side, is called the hypotenuse. The side opposite theta is called the opposite. The side next to theta, which is not the hypotenuse, is called the adjacent.
Myself Kausar Sultana.
We are from PUC second year science E1 section. Where this model is based upon relation and function. So there are many functions in mathematics, but here we are representing 4 of them. That is 1, 1, many 1, onto, and into. A 1, 1 function is a function in which all the elements of the domain set have a particular and unique image in codomain set. As we can see here, it is the domain set and it is codomain set. Here we have a particular image for all the elements of domain set. So it is a 1, 1 function. Now many 1 function is a function in which more than one element of the domain set have a similar image in codomain.
Myself Sanamrin. I am from second year E1 section. Our topic name is trigonometric parcum. Trigonometric is the relationship in mathematics involving length, height, and angles of different triangles in this parcum. We can see the different things which we can belongs to the trigonometry. For example, this Christmas tree. If we keep a thread from the top of the tree to the surface, it makes an angle which we can measure through a protractor. If we change the position of the grounded thread, the angle also changes.
Myself Mahin Kausar. I am from PUC second year E1. Today we are exploring about the Kapriker constant. And next we'll talk about Kapriker constant. Kapriker constant or 6174 is a constant that arises when we take a 4-digit integer from the largest and smallest number from its digits. Let's see one example. Take 4-digit number. All the digits should not be repeat more than 2. Say 5200. Write in descending order and ascending order and subtract these two values. We will get the result 51754.
I am Rose. I am a student in PUC first year. Today our topic is hyperbola. There are 3 types of hyperbola. There are 3 types of conic section: ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. Hyperbola is the set of points in a plane having 2 distant from 2 fixed points. The hyperbola is cut double cone. That cone the cut is hyperbolized form. There are many examples of hyperbola. The hyperbola is the locus of the point that move the ratio of the distance from fixed point in the distance of one directress.
Which of two the using the contain more space of within and how much more? The amount of space is 3-dimensional solid contains call its volume.
Myself Ummi Hafsa, PUC second year science. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Saliha Parveen. I am from PUC Second Year Science. I introduced to Muslim mathematician of Maryam Mirza Khan. Maryam Mirza Khan is a beauty of mathematics. She was born on 12 May 1977 to 14 July 2017 in Tehran, Iran. As a child, she attended Tehran Farzanigan School. In her junior and senior years of high school, she won the gold medal for mathematics in Iranian National Olympiad. In 2014, Iranian mathematician of Maryam Mirza Khani became the first female field medalist. Her researched topics included mathematical billiards.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Zia Taranum.
Myself Arshad Abasan.
We are from second year science.
Our topic
is clinometer.
A clinometer is a tool that we can measure the angle of elevation, angle of ground. We can use the clinometer to measure the height of the tall thing. It is not possible to reach on the top.
Indian pattern clinometer. The clinometer is plain on a plane table, which is illuminated. The first clinometer was in a clinometer is 1811.
A clinometer is also known as inclinometer. Is an instrument to measure the angle of slope elevated. It is used in civil engineering for horizontal or vertical. Thank you.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Zulaikha we are from second year. Our topic is about the great Muslim mathematician Al-Battagni, sons of Jabir, who had a high reputation as an instrument maker in Haran. Al-Fihri describes Al-Battagni as one of the most famous observer.
Myself Hina Pasar.
Myself Hansamali.
We are studying in PUC second year. My topic is Al-Biruni, Muslim mathematician. Al-Biruni is called as variously founder of Indologue, father of comparative religion, father of modern geodesy. Al-Biruni wrote a book Tariq al-Hind in also describing social, economic and political situation. Al-Biruni born on 5th September 1973 in Khat Khawarizm. Al-Biruni died on 13 December in 148th century.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Wasiras. I am studying in second year PUC Science. Today's topic is parabola. Parabola refers to any equation of a curve such that each point of the curve of the equidistance of the parabola. Fixed point is called the focus of the parabola.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tahura Sada. We are from PUC second year science. We are proving the activity of Rolle's theorem. So, Rolle's theorem is a special case in the mean value theorem. Rolle's theorem is a special case in the mean value theorem. It was proved in the year 1691 by French mathematician Michel Rolle.
Myself Saliha Parveen from first year. Our topic is cos function. In a right angle triangle, cos is defined as the ratio of the length of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse. Suppose the triangle ABC is taken with AB as the hypotenuse. C is 90 degree. Alpha is a trigonometric angle.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Kashaf.
Myself Sayyida Sudhira.
We are from second year E1. Our topic about the great mathematician Al-Khwarizmi. Al-Khwarizmi is a great Muslim mathematician, astronomer and geographer. Al-Khwarizmi was born. Al-Khwarizmi's full name is Muhammad ibn Musa Al-Khwarizmi.
Myself Sayyida Nazmin.
Myself Aisha Siddiqa from science
E1 section. So my topic is area of circle. Archimedes are represent the area of circle by Pythagoras theorem. So this is the shape of the cone. The figure is formed by the intersection of a plane circular cone depending on the angle of plane.
Myself, Assalamu alaikum. Myself Tahniya Tanam.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Bilkis Bano from PUC first year.
PUC first year E2. My topic name is Indian mathematician Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta's full name is Arya Siddhanta. Aryabhatta he was born in 476 century. He was dead in 550 century. He was the first of Indian mathematician.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Myself Sania Ziba.
Myself Khoritul Ain.
We are the students of PUC first year science E1. Welcome to the Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle is a described name being named after 17th century by Basil Pascal.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Suhana Khatun.
Myself Asha Banu.
We are from second year.
We are going to explain you about
Hardy-Ramanujan number, that is 1729.
It is the smallest positive integer that can be expressed as a sum of two different cubes in two different ways.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Myself Ammara Hussain.
Myself Alina Mehfil.
Our topic is to find the area of a curve by integration. To find the area of the circle, we have to take a curve which lies on both x-axis and y-axis. Take a small strip on both.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Husnan. Myself We are from PUC first year A2. Our topic is mathematician Bhaskaracharya 2. Bhaskaracharya 2 is known for his work in differential and integral calculation.
Myself Shifan Azmi.
Myself Hina Begum.
We are the student of PUC first year E2. Our topic is distance formula. Derivation for distance formula. Let P x1 y1 and x2 y2 q be the coordinates of the coordinate plane.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Mehnaz.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Atiya Taisin.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Yasmin Begum.
We are student of PUC first year science E2. Our topic is probability. Probability is a branch of maths and it is a chance or possibility.
Myself Nafia Tahrim.
Myself Anjum.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Shaista.
We are from PUC first year science E2. Our topic is algebraic identity. Algebraic identity, the line segment is A and B. The another line is A and B. We add A plus B and A plus B, we get A plus B whole square. And
Good afternoon, myself Sadia Taranum. We are studying in PUC first year science E1. Our topic is about chord function. A relationship between angle and sides of triangle. One of the trigonometric function is chord function.
Here you can see the graph is decreasing from infinity to 0 and this point is pi by 2. Why we are taking only this point? Because cot x is equals to cos x divided by sin x. Wherever cos is 0, at that point our chord graph will obtain. So here sine is 0, so at this point our chord graph will not increase.
First, by seeing our chart, you have to identify the number of triangles there in figure. Firstly, in this rhombus is 8 triangles, and then is 8 rhombus is 8 triangles. Then left side is 3 triangles, and then top is 3 triangles, and right side is 3 triangles.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Uzma Tabassum from second year science. This is our game. Game is cups arrangement game. In this game, you are arrange the cups in 30 seconds from odd number or even number. You are arrange the cups.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Sumayya. Welcome to Diagonal Move. This game is maths related. Now you have to 4 red colors circle and 4 green color circles are opposite such a manner that is a red color circle opposite to red sticks.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Samina Begum from second year science.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Azra.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Muskan Begum from second year science.
Our topic is Euler's formula. So Euler's formula invented this Leonhard Euler. Leonhard Euler was born on 15 April 1707 in Switzerland.
Myself Asna Tahrim, second year science E1. This is a mathematics game, snake and ladder.
Has no faces, no vertex and no verges. When a semicircle is rotated in a fixed point, a sphere is formed.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Nazia Begum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself is Khairunisa.
From PUC first year section E1. Our topic is trigonometric function of cosec function. Cosec function. This is a unit circle of trigonometric function of cosec. This circle is 90 degree. The circle is 90 degree. The relationship between angle and sides of triangle. In trigonometric function sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec. I am going to explain about cosec function. Cosec function is a reciprocal of 1 by sine.
reciprocal of 1 by sine is 0, then the more open interval of the cosec value, -1 to +1. This circle is 4 quadrant. First quadrant and second quadrant have positive value. Third quadrant and fourth quadrant have negative value. Thank you.
I am studying in PUC first year science. Our topic is trigonometry chapter. From our topic is secant function. So in trigonometry, secant function is a line segment associated with unit circle associated with unit circle.
Afternoon, myself Usma Firdaus.
Good afternoon, myself Muskan Anjum.
From PUC first year E1 section.
Our topic is right circular cone. Right circular cone is a three-dimensional figure with circular base.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyeda Anjum. These are conic section. Conic section is a curve obtained as the intersection of the surface of a cone with a plane. There are 3 types: parabola, hyperbola, ellipse. All points from a 2 fixed points is foci is constant. If we cut a circular cone at any angle between 90 degrees, will be a ellipse.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Hujra. Our topic is ellipse. Ellipse is the section of cone. When we cut the cone in a slant way, we got the ellipse. Ellipse is the sum of.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Humiza Parveen Siddiqa and I am first year PUC. Today, our model. Our model is based on trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with angles and sides of triangle.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Rabia. I'm studying in PUC first year. Now I'm going to explain about complex numbers. Complex numbers are the numbers that can be expressed in the form of z is equals to a plus ib, where a and b are the real part and I is an imaginary part called iota.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Myself Samrin Fatima.
Myself Oza Sara.
Myself Adiba Tehsin.
Our topic is pi. What is pi? Pi is the irrational number, which means that it is a real number with non-repeating decimal expansion. It cannot be repeated by an integer ratio and goes on forever. In 1768, John Lambert proved that there cannot be any such repeating pattern.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Alfia, PUC first year science student. My topic is Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was fellow of Royal Society. He was born on 22 December 1887 and died on 26 April 1920. He was an Indian mathematician with almost no formal training in pure mathematics, made extra.
Good afternoon, myself Mahreen Fatima. I am studying in PUC first year science E1. Our topic is 3D octane. In three-dimensional space, we identify a point with respect to the distance from the 3 different planes. Let's see what these different planes are and how to locate a point in space.
We are from second year. Today we are going to represent you how mean value theorem works. Mean value theorem that for a given planar arc between 2 endpoints, there is at least one point at which the tangent to the arc is parallel to the secant through its endpoint.